But today it was about just having a hands-on experiment with some objects that could help them understand pitch and vibration with sound.
Pitch, how high or low a sound is.
Well, what's very neat about Williamson County, no joke, is that the science kits that are put together for us, because I would have never heard of kalimba. So it's neat that the kids get the opportunity to work with things like that.
You would like unscrew it and put sticks in, and then you would screw them back tight, and then you would press each one, and it would, if you put them like at different heights, it would make like a high pitch and a low pitch.
They were making connections to their own musical instruments that they play and the sounds that they hear. So it's just really a neat experience that these kids get to put their hands on that, what they actually come up with themselves and the connections that they make. And it's just a better way for it to get into their long-term memory, and they can take that and move further into their learning into 3rd grade and 4th grade and 5th grade and on.
Science is one of my favorite subjects.